Bye, baby.
Bye. Love you. Say I love you.
What happened to her arm? She fell.
What happened?
Where? All over the curb.
Oh
Come
my
on.
God.
No.
Looks like she got fatter.
Baby, I go to work, come home, and she looks like she's a beauty.
That one has a bruise.
Yeah, I'm gonna see messing with her.
Say bye, Pop.
Bye.
It's time for your close. Lily,
What's that on her
it's
arm?
time for your close up. Oh.
Look at it.
Oh, yeah.
She's like a little kid.
Well.
Jump on.
Ow!
She finds everything wrong with her.
Hitting my nose. Oh, that's how you put it on. I get it now.
Look in the eyes.
Ah!
Yeah, he's like.
Don't you hit me. Fix my hair. Mary, I'm gonna tell you bet. I'm gonna tell you bet. I gotta go kill someone.